Nora lived in a small town where opportunities seemed limited. Her dream was to earn enough money to help her family and live a comfortable life. Nora had one strong skill: she could speak and write English well. At first, she did not realize that her English skills could open doors to many opportunities. One day, her friend Lisa told her about freelancing. "You can work from home and earn money," Lisa said. "Many companies need people who can write, teach, or communicate in English." Nora was curious but nervous. She had never thought about making money online. Step 1. Start small. Nora decided to start small. She searched online for freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. She created a profile and added her skills: writing, translating, and teaching English. Her first job was to write a short article about healthy eating. It paid only $10, but she was excited. "I earned my first money using English," Nora told her family with a big smile. Gradually, she got more jobs. She wrote blogs, helped students with their homework, and even edited documents for small businesses. Each time she completed a task, her confidence grew. Step 2. Teach English online. One day, Nora found an advertisement for teaching English online. She applied to a platform called Cambly, where people from different countries learn English. Her job was to talk with them and help improve their speaking skills. Nora enjoyed meeting new people from around the world. Some of her students were from Japan, Brazil, and Germany. "It's like traveling without leaving my room," Nora said. She earned $15 per hour and worked flexible hours. Step 3. Become a content creator. Nora's cousin, Sarah, introduced her to YouTube. "Why don't you create videos teaching English?" Sarah suggested. Nora was shy at first but decided to try. She made simple videos teaching grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Her videos were in easy English so that beginners could understand. At first, only a few people watched her videos. But Nora did not give up. She kept posting regularly. Slowly, her channel grew. Companies noticed her popularity and offered sponsorships. Nora also earned money through ads on her videos. "It feels amazing to help people and earn money at the same time," Nora said. Step 4. Write an ebook. With her growing confidence, Nora decided to write an ebook. She wrote about her journey and included tips for learning English. She published the ebook on Amazon Kindle. Many people bought her book, and she earned passive income. This means she continued earning money even when she was not working. Step 5. Offer translation services. Living in a multicultural country, Nora realized many businesses needed documents translated from their local language into English. She started offering translation services. Her clients included shops, schools, and even local government offices. "Every day, I learn something new," Nora thought. Her income increased, and she could finally support her family. Real-life inspiration. Nora's story is not unique. Many people have used the English language to change their lives. For example, John from Nigeria started a blog where he shares stories about his culture. His blog became popular, and now he earns money through ads and sponsorships. Another example is Priya from India, who started teaching English to children in her neighborhood. Later, she created online courses and sold them on platforms like Udemy. Now, she earns enough to travel the world. Nora shares her tips for making money using English. Improve your skills. Keep learning and practicing English. The better your skills, the more opportunities you will have. Start small. Don't wait for big projects. Start with small tasks and build your confidence. Be consistent. Whether it's writing, teaching, or creating videos, consistency is key. Use technology. Learn how to use tools like Grammarly, Canva, and video editing software to improve your work. Never give up. There will be challenges, but keep going. Success takes time. Today, Nora runs her own business. She offers English courses, writes blogs, and creates online content. She earns more than she ever imagined. If you have a skill, use it, Nora says. The English language is not just a subject, it's a tool that can change your life. Nora also started mentoring others who wanted to follow the same path. She organized free webinars to share her experiences and guide beginners. Many people joined, and Nora felt proud to help them start their journeys. One of Nora's students, Alex, learned from her webinars and began working as a proofreader. He was amazed at how quickly he could earn money. Nora's tips really work, Alex said. He also started saving money for his higher education. Nora's family noticed how confident and happy she had become. Her parents often told their neighbors. Nora is an example of how English can change lives. This made Nora feel proud of her hard work and achievements. Nora's dream of traveling also came true. With her savings, she visited London, a city she had always wanted to see. She even attended a conference for English language teachers and met many inspiring people. Looking back, Nora felt grateful for the small steps she had taken. Each task, each lesson, and each video had brought her closer to her dreams. She believed that anyone could do what she had done with patience and dedication. Nora's story shows that the English language is not just for exams or school. It is a skill that can open doors to jobs, travel, and new experiences. Anyone can use it to build a brighter future. The end. Thanks for listening.